Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, in crypto news, North Korea becomes third largest Bitcoin holder. North Korea has ascended to the position of the third largest holder of Bitcoin globally, surpassed only by the United States and Britain. This follows a series of high profile cyber attacks by its infamous hacking group Lazarus, which recently executed a record breaking theft of 13,580 Bitcoin worth 886 million pounds. These criminals' activities significantly contribute to North Korea's funding, covering about 40% of its nuclear and missile programs, according to United Nations experts. So here is the article. You guys can read through it later on. Yeah, this is it. So moving on to stocks. Market awaits Federal Reserve interest rate decision. In my opinion, I think all of the interest rates are going to stay the same. Just because of well, let's just get into it. So, Wall Street closed higher on Monday as investors perceived economic data and anticipated the Federal Reserve upcoming decision on interest rates. The consensus is that the Fed will maintain current rates, influencing market dynamics in the short term. So, yeah, like I was saying, I believe it's going to stay the same because, let me bring that up for you. Because all of this tariffs. Nobody knows what's going on. Like, look at all this red right here. Nobody knows what is going on. And investors, us investors, traders, makes us a little worried. So, on to commodities. Gold hits record high amid geopolitical tensions. Gold has reached a record high of $3,038 per ounce due to rising geopolitical tensions and a weakening U.S. dollar alongside fears of a global trade war. I believe everybody's, taking their money out of stocks and putting it into gold and other commodities. Because, of course, in the long run, gold seemed to be a safer investment. Safer investments. So, all right. La, 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 la. All right, moving on to the signals. What everybody's been waiting on, the signals. So, let's look at Nvidia. Uh, Nvidia, as you can see on the 3-day, showing a double bottom. It is respecting this fair value gap right here that was, like I said before, made back in almost a year ago. Almost a year ago, in a couple of months, almost a year ago. So this is a good fair value gap, and of course, trend lines are good as well. Let's look at the MACD. MACD showing some buying pressure. Definitely showing some buying pressure with the engulfing candle a few days back, like we discussed yesterday. Then more buying pressure on this candle right here. So my prediction, we're going to get a reversal right here. Continue to go up. Continue to go up. That's all for the Nvidia. So let's look at SPY. Let's look at SPY. Back on the 3-day. SPY reversal confirmed on the 3-day chart. We have an hour left. We have an hour left on the 3-day chart. This is definitely a sign of reversal. This is definitely a sign of reversal. And again, it's basically hitting off this double fair value gap. And this double fair value gap was made right here, right here. Um, bear with me, bear with me. I'm just trying to figure out the double. So this is one. Ooh, I don't know how that was made. At least I just can't see it. Just can't see it at this point in time. Um, yeah. So let's look on the daily, see what we have here. More buying pressure starting, more buyer pressure starting. And again, we was looking at the 25th, but now Trump stated that on the 2nd, everything is April 2nd, everything will be going crazy. So, in my opinion, what I believe Trump is doing is crashing the market as much as possible so that his billionaire friends and himself and whoever has the money to do such buy this crazy dip. Buy this crazy dip. And I also believe that Trump is not talking to the American people. He's only talking to the billionaires of his friends. Um, yeah, because they will be the ones to profit the most. You got $1 million to put in the market on a trade or an option play. Let's just look at this. What type of percentage you can get on SPY? It's 10% on SPY, and with options, that option can be you can probably get like 50% on that option. Don't quote me on that. I honestly don't know how the leverage works on options. At least not right now. Later on in the day, I'm definitely going to be learning more about these options and how it's ran. How it's ran. So let's get back on track. Let's look at Tesla. The 3-day bearish engulfing candle rejecting off the 200-day EMA. Doesn't look too good for Tesla, as we all know. Um, right here, rejecting off this 200-day EMA. Definitely, I will be looking for a short. I will definitely be looking for a short. However, there is showing some buying pressure off of this fair value gap. It's still holding. Trying to push through back last Tuesday, a week ago, but it is still holding. Still holding. Actually, I didn't see this. I didn't see this. I did not see this. The MACD is showing a green bar. This is a red doji. Remember what I said. Remember what I said. If it's the opposite color, it's most likely going to go in this direction. So I'm looking at it to go to at least, let's look back on the 3-day. Yeah, I can see it coming back down to 178. I can definitely see it. We got 52 minutes left in this candle. Um, it looks like it will engulf it. If not, it's more than 50% of this candle. So that's a good sign as well for a reversal. It's taking on time, it's taking on time. Okay, still got some time. So yeah, that's what we have for Tesla. Microsoft, same as yesterday. Same as yesterday. Didn't mean to do that, but let's delete that anyways. The same as yesterday. Showing a reversal right here. So yeah, that's about it for Microsoft. UJ and AU still a good buy. UJ and AU, yeah, still a good buy. We still early in the move, so you're still early in the move. You see the reversal right here. It's three candle pattern right here is a reversal sign. So yeah, actually right now would be the perfect time to get in. Since it's 2 days left, what I've noticed here's a little tip. What I've noticed is depending on what you are trading on time frame. What am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? Let's say for 3 day. If it's early in the candle and it's going the opposite way of what the trend or what price action is telling you, there's a good chance that towards the end of tomorrow, this candle will become green and it's going to continue to go up in your favor. I believe it's the same with AU. Uh, yeah, so AU, you can see the move has already happened. It's still some time to get in here. Of course, you'll be shooting for up here, or of course one of these EMAs, either the 200 or the 60. Um, I prefer the 200 just because there's a lot of price in this area. And then of course, always fair value gap always get filled. Not always. Don't quote me on that. So not always. If it's a big trend, upward trend, let's see if I can find one. Yeah, see, right here, this hasn't been filled. This has not been filled. Price came down to it, like right here, but did not get filled. I wonder why that's still up there. Anywho. So, knowing what we know, stock market tends to go up. These will be getting filled within the next couple of years or whatnot, because this one is from July of 2011. July of 2011. So yeah, these will be getting filled. These will be getting filled. Let's look at you can. I'm still bearish across the major trend line. Across the major trend line. Like I said, this will be a good take profit somewhere around in here, because you don't want to. Price typically don't go back to an area like this. There's a trending, I mean a ranging area like this. So yeah, I would say up in here. Let's draw a box. Let's draw a box for you guys. Uh, yes. This is where I am suspecting price to land. Anywhere in this box. Anywhere in this box is where I am looking for a price to go to. And this is between $1.39 to $1.38. Of course, with leverage, this 10 cent, well, no, this 1 cent makes a difference. Makes a difference. Moving on. With crypto, pull up Bitcoin. Crypto hasn't changed. However, there is an FMOC meeting tomorrow, which is big, which will make everything volatile, but crypto will be affected the most. What we do know have a higher chance of success is that interest rates will stay the same. Interest rates will stay the same. Yeah. Gold, gold. Told you yesterday, gold was going to be hitting all times high, continue to hit all times high. Um, I think today is possibly the last day to actually get in to get some good. Oh, I had a brain fart to get a good trade, a good trade. Yeah, I'm not too familiar how to use these fib trend recessions or extensions. Every time I try to use them, um, doesn't work out. Doesn't work out. But however, I'll show you what I know. Show you what I know. So this is you find the low and the high. So right now, even though this isn't the high, the 618 is the good retracement area, and for fib extension, yeah, I don't know how to use this thing. I'm not even gonna hold you up. I think it's something like that, actually. Yeah, I think it's something like that. So these will be the targets. Don't quote me on that, but I will leave these up. I will leave this extension up just to see what we have in the future. In the future. So basically, with this fib extension tool, this will help you for take profits. Take profits. Yeah. Let's see if I can find one. Right here. So we're gonna use it right here. Use that low right there to that high. I think we bring it back down to the low. I believe that's how you do it. Man, it's actually lining up pretty good. It's actually lining up pretty good. It's lining up pretty good. But again, where do you get in at? Based on this, how do you? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I got to do some more learning with this. Um, silver, silver. I have my notes. Get in. Uh, yes, get in across the major trend line on the 3 day. Just get in. Just get in. Put your stop loss down here at the most recent low. Just get in. Um, it's a marathon with the swing trading. So if it does retrace, the stop loss is right here. Um, now this could be no, it's not the top because right there. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Even that chart pattern worked for this as well. Let's update this chart pattern on the 6 hour. Move it up a little bit just because it'll come down like so. Um, this is considered, I believe, a microphone. I really don't trade this, but I know how to see it. Know how to see it. Um, you can either do the microphone or do that. That one looks a little better. Yeah, I kind of like this one better. Yeah, I like that one better. Yeah, coach, I like that one better. All right, all right. Um, crude oil, crude oil. Uh, having my notes. Hopefully within the next 2 days, we will see a buy signal. Said that because of here. Because of here. Looks like price will touch this major trend line. Let's move on to the 3 day. Yeah, so crude oil look like still need a buy signal. We still need a buy signal. Still need price to cross this trend line, this daily trend line right here. Still need price to cross it. Once it crosses it and close above this trend line, that will be the buy signal. That will be the buy signal. All right, copper. Copper is chasing all-time high. So when price or if price reaches this trend line, we will be at all-time high. At the moment, all-time high is around $5.07. $5.07. Let's see what it says over here. Blah, woo, 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 woo. Didn't mean to do that. Didn't mean to do that. I believe it's more technicals. Um, I need to use this more often so I don't look crazy while showing you guys. Yeah, yeah, it's all time high. I know I can see it on here somewhere. How many of you see it and I just don't see it? Well, yeah, it is chasing all time high. It did just make a fair value gap, um, which means that it can touch this trend line and reverse back to this trend line to do a retest and then shoot up. Something like this to hold me accountable. Try something like that. Keep that there. Now, if I can exactly do that, but let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. This should be, I'm guessing to the end of May. We're looking at for a breakthrough or mid-May. Yeah. So this will conclude this video for today. Again, I'm X, and we here now. See you in the next one.